Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome you all to today's business entrepreneurship class. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College. I am going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Introduction to Business, and this is very important chapter for you. In this chapter, you can learn so many things about business related. What is business? Definition of business, features of business, types of business, and importance of business and business environment element. Today I will discuss about first chapter. The chapter name is Introduction to Business. So in this chapter, business related so many things you can learn if you watch the video properly. Hope that everybody are ready with your book, pen and copy. First question, what is business? That means definition of business. Economic activities with a view to earn profit is treated as business. When a farmer producing paddy, vegetables, fruits for his own needs, that means for his family member, that time this is not treated as business. Or not only farmer, or when anybody rearing poultry farm or any other things, that time this is not the business. When anybody their intention for the earning profit, that time this is business. Such as farmer, if his intention is earning profit by the selling product, producing product like paddy, like fruits, like vegetables, that time this is called business. So again I am telling another definition for you. That one is all legitimate economic activities with the view to earn profit is called business. So in business there are some features, like in a business the businessman must have the intention for the profit and it must be legitimate, that means legally formed. So this is very special features of business. Now I am going to discuss about types of business. Modern business is classified in 3 types. These are industry, commerce and direct service. And with the business there are some important topics are related. That one is production, distribution, advertisement, transportation, so that when any businessman produce any product, with this media they can distribute the products to the real consumer. Without transportation, without warehouse, without communication, without advertisement, the real consumer, they cannot get the product on time. So this is related with business and this is the most important elements in business. Now let's start about industry, commerce and direct service. So business are divided into how many types? 3 types. Industry, commerce and direct service. So dear student, you have to read the definition of industry. What is industry? Industry is considered as the means of production. That means for collecting raw materials, it is converting it into finished goods by using labor and machineries. Again I am telling, industries is considered as the means of production by using heavy machineries, labor. From the raw materials, finished goods will be produced. Industries are divided into 5 types. In your book it is written industries are divided into how many types? 5 types. What are that? What are those? Number 1, genetic industry. Number 2, extractive industry. Number 3, constructive industry. Number 4, service industry. Number 5, service industry. So dear student, you have to memorize with example. Okay, now I am going to discuss about what is commerce. Second one, commerce. Commerce is the wings of business. In modern world, commerce is called B2B, that means business to business. So how this business to business is through the transportation, through the communication, through the warehousing, advertisement, the produced products reach to the real consumer. Number 3, direct service. What is direct service? The definition of direct service. Different type of professionals, in order to make profit, they provide their service. This is called direct service. So again I am telling, in order to make profit, different types of professionals, they are providing their service for the customer's demand and for the customer satisfaction. This type of, for example, like doctor, lawyer, audit firm, teacher, etc. Now I am going to discuss about importance of business. In this competitive era, business is very important topics for all over the world. Without business, nobody can do anything properly. In this era of business, nowadays, the businessman can produce their product to the customer. Through the business, the real consumer, they can fulfill their demand of the product. Through the business, the general people, their standard of living will be more enhanced. That means their living standard will be increased. Through the business, any country's economy will be very developed. So business is very important. Dear student, one thing you should remember, that one is, in this chapter there is another more important topics. That one is business environment. So you have to learn this topic properly. What is business environment? When in business environment are divided into 6 types. Now I am going to discuss about these elements. This is very important for the development of the business and survive the business. Without business environment, business can be run smoothly and business cannot be done properly. Now I am going to discuss about these 6 elements, like natural environment, economic environment, social environment, political environment, legal environment, technological environment. So hope that all of you are write down on your CW copy these 6 environment with example and definition. First, natural environment. So now I am telling the example of natural environment: weather, landscape, river, hill. This is included in natural environment. Economic environment. Example like money banking, savings, money transactions, and the skillful manpower. This is included in economic environment. Social environment. Education, tradition, customs, different religious occasion, This is included in social environment. What is political environment? Political environment example is what? Like hartal, strike, political unrest. It is related with political unrest, and the environment is international relation, sovereignty. This is included in political environment. What is legal environment? Legal environment means what? Different types of law like customer, consumer, perception law, environment law. This type of law is related with legal environment. Technological environment. Technological environment is very important for business. Nowadays, in this modern business era, different type of modern technology, they are influenced our business production. Different technology, through the different development technology, business can be produced anything rapidly, smoothly, within a short time. So these business elements is very important topics for the business, and you have to learn it properly. In this chapter, there are some other important topics. Which one is very important? Dear students, you have to read one questions. Which port is called the big port? It is called Porto Grande. Which port is called the small port? This is called Porto Pequeno. It is written in your book. Hope that all of you read it properly. And one thing, once upon a time, Bangladesh was very famous for the muslin shari, and it is still this sort of muslin shari is muslin and Jamdani shari is very famous, and the weather of Narayanganj, Rupganj is very favorable or suitable for this producing sharis. On the other hand, seaport was also very important, because through the sea, from the different countries merchant, they have came to these areas and they bought this product. That's why here is one questions about the related, port related. That one is Porto Grande and Porto Pequeno. So hope that all of you are clear about this. So today's topics is very important. If you read the business concept properly, how business was evolved, what is the definition of business, what is the intention of business, what is the features of business, what is the importance of business, what is the types of business. There are some important elements of business that one is influence in your business. So hope that everybody are very clear about business and your concept will be very clear. So you have to read these topics properly today what I have given, and if you read it properly, you can learn so many things in the next video, because in next video I will give some another topics about business related. Today up to this, Allah Hafiz, stay home, be safe.